Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about the relationship between mass, number of mole and molar mass, as well as number of particles, number of mole, and the Avogadro number. So the goal today is I want to explain to you where this formula came from. So the one that you've been introduced in your chemistry class would look something like this, okay? And the second set would be this. So instead of memorizing this formula, how could we make sense of it? It's all at the end of the day is about proportional reasoning. So let's start with the first set. I'm going to label this 1 and this is going to be 2. So let's start with that. Let's explore what M means. So by now, I hope you know that M is the molar mass, or in other words, the mass of 1 mole of any substance. Okay, be it sodium chloride, oxygen gas, and so forth. Okay, so let's say that we have a number of mole n equal 5 mole. Let's just pick a number, okay? And let's say we know that the substance is NaCl. So I can sub that formula right underneath the N, which is a symbol for mole. So then from the periodic table, I can find out from the PT, okay, for short. Molar mass of NaCl is therefore, you look it up, and it's 23 gram per mole for sodium and about 35.5 gram per mole for the chlorine atom. There's only one of each, so you don't have to do anything else. And then the total will be 58.5. Unit is gram per mole. So 1 mole of sodium chloride will weigh this much. This is the meaning of molar mass, okay? So now the question is, could you figure out the mass of sodium chloride sample, given that you know these two pieces of information? Absolutely. So we know that according to that formula, you would easily take the number of mole times the mass per mole. So when I plug that number in together with the unit, so I advise my student to always put in the unit because it will guide you through the right in the right direction. Like in the end, if you end up with a unit that is not what you used to, you know that you're off somewhere, so you can go back and check. Okay, so I now plug in 5 mole. This is what I meant by bringing in the unit. Molar mass is 58.5 gram per mole. Okay, so mole and mole cancel out. You will end up with gram. This gives us 292.5 gram. All right, so let's look at a little analogy on the side here. Okay, so let's say that I work for $58.5 per hour. Okay, that's just a makeup thing. And this week I work for 5 hours, which is quite nice. So then I want to find out, okay, how much money did I earn this week? So what will you do? You then take your wage, multiply by the number of hours that you work, right? That's what you would do in order to find out, okay, how much money I bring home this week. Multiply by per hour, right? Multiply by 5 hours. So hour and hour cancel out. You end up with $292.5, right? So this is an analogy. So in a way, I hope you can relate that wage, in this case, is your molar mass, okay? And the time that you work is therefore the number of mole. And the total money that you earn is therefore the mole, the sample mass that we were working on over here. So from now on, if somebody remove this triangle from you. I know that to make it easier for you guys, we gave you some help on a test cell quiz by giving you this triangle where you plug in the different symbol and you find out how to manipulate them. Yeah, but if you don't have this triangle, you can still figure out by using the meaning of what molar mass means and of the total mass that you could do after that. Okay, so at the end of the day, it is about proportional reasoning. Let's do another example. Okay, so